My name is Nick Liddell. I'm Director of Strategy at Dragon Rouge, and we are an innovation and design business. I met people at Cranfield as part of the Ellen MacArthur Foundation C100. Tremendously impressed with all of the interactions that we had, and it makes sense where possible to get good people working on interesting stuff.
The purpose of this module is to introduce the students to a wide array of different tools and techniques for capturing and analysing consumer insight and turning those into opportunities for innovation.
What we're looking for is effectively a set of ideas that we couldn't have come to on our own. I think there's a different way of thinking here. There's clearly a pool of talent, and we're just keen to tap into it and see where it takes us.
Students have been faced with their first industrial challenge on the design programme. They've responded really well. They've found it certainly a challenge, but they've come up with some really interesting insights that they've presented back to us today.
The biggest challenge is the research, because we need a lot of information from people and some don't have the time or they are unable to work with us. So it's challenging to get to know the real reason behind the problem if you don't get to talk to the user as much as you want to.
I enjoyed the model because I got to work with some fantastic people in my group. We were encouraged to develop our own skills. I like the fact that C4D is teaching us how to work in industry. Education before now has been totally different. This is totally new.
Here in Britain, I'm dealing with a very different approach in learning. I am able to try to find my solution, the solution of problems, just by myself, collecting pieces of literature instead of just applying the opinion of one professor.
I really enjoy the fact that we are looking to understand the customers and not only designing products, and really focusing on the human aspect.
One of the key aims of both this module and the design programme as a whole is to prepare the students for their follow-on careers and life in industry, and certainly this module has given them a whole range of tools and techniques to help them with that.